Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Honda Jazz. So again, this isn't our normal type of car that we sell, but it's come from a customer we've known for a long time. Just taken it in. It's only done 38,000 miles, and that's backed up by a full service history. It's been family owned from new, so the dad, who's now in his 80s, bought it brand new. We've got the original bill of sale, and then he sold it to his son. So we've got the logbooks that show the same names. As I say, it's got full service history, really low mileage. As with all our cars, they have 12 months MOT. They're all HPI, motor check clear with report. It's got both sets of keys. We can offer part exchange, finance as well. So really clean for one of these. I imagine these type of cars normally spend a lot of time at supermarkets or parked in city car parks. There's no major dents or scuffs or scrapes anywhere on the car. Again, we will put the full spec of the car on it, but it's not the base model. So it's got alloys, it's got the folding mirrors, electric mirrors, full electric pack, multifunction steering wheel, everything you need really, and the all-important automatic gearbox. So as always with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. This is just so you don't have a wasted trip. You can either pay a reservation fee so the car's yours and then come and view it, which we always advise to do if you're going to wait a few days. If you don't want to do that, as long as you ring when you're setting off, we'll confirm the vehicle's for sale, and once we know you're setting off, no one else will view the car, no one else will turn up. You'll get to see the car. As always, if you've got any questions, if you'd like to book a test drive or a viewing, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.